Hey guys, we're here in Johnson City, Tennessee today with the GTO. I've got my good friend Michael Vann here with me.
Yeah, good to see you. Thanks
You
for bringing it up.
Absolutely. He's got a paintless dent repair shop. Some of you have been asking how the dent got in the rear quarter panel, and here's how that happened. Yeah. So, Michael Vann here does a lot of paint and body work and paintless dent repair. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do?
Well, Andrew, thanks for coming up here. We really appreciate you bringing your vehicle up here. As you can see a little bit, we do paintless dent removal, we do window tinting, we do wheel restoration, we do blackout kits, and we do wax buck compounding and interior detailing. So if you need any of those things, get with Andrew and he'll send you my way.
How long have you been doing it?
I started in this in 2000, so 23 years.
23 years.
Yeah.
I think the man knows what he's doing.
Well, try to be anyway.
Right on.
Yeah.
So we're going to leave the car with him, and we'll come back and we'll see the end product. Vann Hailing Paintless Dents Removal Services is veteran owned and operated by my good friend Michael Vann. We've served together a lot of years. He's got a fantastic crew of employees working for him, and they really know what they're doing. Al, the old feller who brought back this 50-year-old paint on the GTO, is 71 years old, and he's been doing paint and body work for 40 plus years. And to the rest of the staff at Vann Hailing, Ben, Hudson, Fox, y'all did a great job. Thanks for the detail and massaging all the dents out on that GTO. I know it wasn't easy. Y'all did a great job, especially the quarter panel. It looks fantastic. So I'm going to let the video speak for itself to show you guys what a top-notch job they're doing up there. If you need any dent services or detailing, give Michael Vann at Vann Hailing a call. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my channel for more great content.